Jai Hind friends, today we are going to learn chapter 2 linear equations in one variable of class 8 exercise number 2.4. In this video we are going to solve exercise 2.4 of class 8. Let's solve question number 1. Amina thinks Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 2 by 5 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? I hope that you have understood the question. So let's solve this first question. Let Amina think a number x. According to the question, 8 of x minus 5 by 2 equals to 3x. So 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equals to 3x. Then 8x minus 4 into 5 is equals to 3x. So minus 4 into 5 we can get the answer as minus 20. Then we can write 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. If we send 3x to the LHS and minus 20 to the RHS, we can get 8x minus 3x is equals to 20. So 5x is equals to 20. If we send 5 to the RHS, we can get x is equals to 20 by 4. If we cancel, we can get the x value as 4. So the number which was thought by the Amina is 4. Let's solve question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the new number. Twice the other new number. What is the numbers? Then let's solve the question. Let another number be x, then positive number be 5x, because 5 times another number, 5 times the other number. So then positive number is 5x. According to the question, 5x plus 21 equals to 2 of x plus 21. Then we can write it as 5x minus 21 equals to 2x plus 42. We have got this 42 by multiplying 21 with 2. We have got 42. Then 5x minus 2x equals to 42 minus 21. In this solution, we have sent 21 to the RHS. So we have got minus 21. 2x to the LHS. So we have got minus 2x. Then 3x is equals to 21. If we send 3 to the RHS, it will divide. So x is equals to 21 by 3. By cancelling, we can get the answer as 7. Then another number is 7 and the positive number is 5 into 7, 35. We have multiplied only with 5 because in the question the positive number is 5 times the other number. So we have to multiply with 5. Then we can get the answer as 35. Question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Let's solve question number 3. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the result the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? Let's solve the question. Let the unit place digit of a two-digit number be x. Therefore, the tens place digit is 9 minus x. Two-digit number equals to 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. Original number 10 of 9 minus x plus x. According to the question, new number equals to original number plus 7. Then 10x plus 9 10x plus of 9 minus x, we can get 10 of 9 minus x plus 27. Then we can get 10 plus 9 minus x equals to 90 minus 10x plus x plus 27. So we can get 9x plus 9 equals to 117 plus 117 minus 9x. If we send minus 9x to the LHS, it becomes plus 9x, and plus 9 to the RHS, it will become minus 9. Then we can get 9x plus 9x equals to 117 minus 9. So we can get 18x is equals to 108. If we send 18 to the RHS, it divides, so we can get x is equals to 108 by 18. So the x value is 6. Hence, the two-digit number 10 of 9 minus x plus x equals to 10 of 9 minus 6 plus 6 is equals to 10 into 3 plus 6 equals to 30 plus 6, 36. Let's solve the next question. One of the two-digit number of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Let the unit place digit of two-digit number is x. Therefore, the tenth place digit is 3x. Hence, two-digit number equals to 10 into tens place digit plus unit place digit. Therefore, original number equals to 10 into 3x plus x is equals to 30x plus x is equals to 31x. According to the question, new number plus original number is 88. So 10x plus 3x plus 31x is equals to 88. So we can get 44x equals to 88. Then x is equals to 88 by 44, and the answer is 2. Hence, two-digit number 31x is equals to 31 into 2 equals to 62. Let's solve question number 5. Shop's mother's percentage is 6 times Shop's percentage. Shop's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's percentage. What is the percentage? Let Shop's percentage be x and Shop's mother percentage will be 6x years. According to the question, x plus 5 equals to 1 by 3 into 6x. So we can get x plus 5 equals to 2x, and 2x is equals to x plus 5, and 2x minus x is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 years. Hence, Shop's present age is 5 years and Shob's mother's present age is 6 into 5, 30 years. Let's solve question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio of 11 is to 4. At the rate 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 to fence the plot. What is the dimensions of the plot? Let the length and breadth of a rectangular plot be 11x and 4x respectively. Perimeter of the plot equals to total cost by cost per 1 meter. Then we can get 75,000 by 100 and we can get 750 meter. We know the perimeter of the rectangle equals to 2 of length plus breadth, and we have got already the perimeter, so 750 is equals to 2 of 11x plus 4x. Then we can get 750 is equals to 2 into 15x. Then 750 is equals to 30x, and we can get 30x is equals to 750. Then x is equals to 750 by 30, and by cancelling we can get the x value as 25. Hence length of the perimeter of the plot is 11 into 25 is equals to 275 meters, and breadth of the rectangular plot is 4 into 25, we can get 100 meter. Let's solve next question. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material, the cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of the trouser material, he buys 3 meters of the shirt material. He sells the materials at 12% and 100% respectively. His total sale is 36,000. How much trouser material did he buy? Let the ratio between shirt material and trouser material be 11x, 3x, 3x is to 2x. The cost of the shirt material equals to 50 into 3x, and we can get 150x. The selling price at 12% gain 100 plus p percent, then principal percent by 100 into CP. Then we can get 100 plus 12 by 100 into 150x. Then we can get 112 by 100 into 150x equals to 168x. The cost of trouser material equals to 90 into 2x is equals to 180x. The selling price at 12% gain equals to 100 plus p percentage by 100 into CP. 100 plus 10 by 100 into 180x. Then we can get 110 by 100 into 180 equals to 198x. According to the question, 168x plus 198x is equals to 36,600. Then we can get 366x equals to 36,600. Then x is equals to 36,600 by 30 by 366. Then we can get the x value as 100 meters. Now trouser material is equals to 2x. Now trouser material equals to 2x equals to 2 into 100, then we can get 200 meters. Hence Hassan bought 200 meters of the trouser material. Let's solve question number 8. Half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and three-fourths of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deers in the herd. According to the question of deer in the herd be x. According to the question, x is equals to x by 2 plus 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2 plus 9. Then x is equals to x minus 2 plus 3 by 4 of 2x minus x by 2 plus 9. Then we can get x is equals to x by 2 plus 3 by 4 into x by 2 plus 9. Then x is equals to x by 2 plus 3 by 8 x plus 9. Then x minus x by 2 minus 3x by 8 equals to 9. Then if we take LCM, we can get 8. 8x minus 4x minus 3x by 8 equals to 9. Then x minus 8 equals to 9. Then x is equals to 9 into 8 and the value of x is 72. Hence the total number of deer in the herd is 72. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find her present age. Let present age of granddaughter be x years. Therefore, grandfather's age equals to 10x years. According to the question, 10x is equals to x plus 54. Then 10x minus x is equals to 54. Then 9x is equals to 54. Then we can get x is equals to 54 by 9. Then x value is 6 years. Hence granddaughter's age is 6 years and granddaughter's age is 6 years and grandfather's age is 10 into 6, 60 years. Let's solve question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find the present age. Let the present age of Amon's son be x years. Therefore, Amon's age is 3x years. According to the question, 3x minus 10 equals to 5 of x minus 10. Then 3x minus 10 equals to 5x minus 50. We can get 3x minus 5x is equals to minus 50 plus 10. We can get minus 2x is equals to minus 40, and then we can get x is equals to minus 40 by minus 2. Minus get cancelled and 40 by 2 we can get cancelled and x is equals to 20 years. Hence Aman's son's age 20 years and Aman's age is 3 into 2, 60 years.